Good morning. This is a Friday morning bird feeding. Yes, the birds are down and I am feeding them with some rice. Just look how beautiful they are. Beautiful birds feeding in the front of the yard. I hope when you see this video, you will give it a like. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, you can feel free to do so. And you can feel free to watch my shorts and my videos. Thank you so much for doing so. Beautiful birds feeding on a Friday morning. It's bird feeding morning. They are so beautiful. And each time you look, you see a different one join the fold. This is not even half of the amount of birds that comes here in the morning from time to time. And yes, I do feed them. So beautiful. I just love to see them, guys. I just love to see these beautiful birds. Hope and trust that when you guys see this video, you will give it a like and you will tell me what you think about them. I'm really fascinated by these birds, guys. They are so beautiful. Look at those white ones. They have all different colors. They are so beautiful. And guess what? They are all God's handmade. Just like you and I. See? As I told you, there's always one or two that will always come and join. Because this one is coming straight from the house top. But they know when they come here that I share with them, so they always visit. Isn't that amazing? To see the birds feeding on a Friday morning. Can tell me what you think about this video, guys, when you watch it. And you watch my video, you can feel free to share it out as well. Isn't this nice, guys? On a Friday morning to see something like this in the morning. You hear the rooster. I just love to see them lurking around. Beautiful birds. Off they go now, guys. Off they go. Wow.